Did you know that in 1920s London, whispers spread of a ghost train that roared through the abandoned tube stations at night? It was first reported by railway workers, men who had spent their lives underground, who swore they knew every echo and vibration of the tracks, but what they heard was different. The sound of grinding wheels on metal, thundering closer, yet no train ever appeared. And when it finally did, witnesses described a dimly lit carriage sliding silently into the station, its windows fogged, the shapes inside unmoving. Some claimed they heard muffled screams coming from within the empty cars. Others swore they saw pale faces pressed against the glass, eyes wide in silent terror, as though the passengers were trapped in some eternal journey that never ends. One story tells of a man who stepped forward, daring to approach the doors. They opened with a hiss, and the overwhelming stench of rot filled the air. He stumbled back, and the train vanished, right before his eyes. He never returned to work after that night. Historians dismiss the tales as urban legend, the product of tired minds and echoing tunnels. Yet even today, explorers in London's forgotten stations claim to hear it, the faint rattle of wheels, the distant wail of brakes, and the screams of passengers no one can see. So the next time you wait for a train, listen closely, because if the empty tracks begin to hum, you may not be waiting for your ride. You may be waiting for theirs.